Hey, what's up? It's Jason from ThruNite. Today we wanted to talk a little bit about the durability of the ThruNite T2. So the ThruNite T2 is made with military grade aluminum alloy, and it gives it a really strong build quality, really durable finish. It's very textured and quite easy to grip, but in the case that you do drop it, it is impact resistant up to 1.5 meters. So I'll be testing that today with some drop tests and other durability tests to show you how it's going to perform under harsh, impacts and things like that. Before I get started, make sure to follow us over on Facebook to be in the loop when we drop new deals and promotions. We let our Facebook fans know first when those are going to happen, so make sure to follow us over there, links below. All right, let's get started. I'm going to take the T2. This is just the normal T2. Cool white, I think. And I'm just going to throw it up and see what happens. Okay. I gave it 3 drops from about pocket height, shoulder height. No real issues. The lens is still intact. Just some scuff marks, some small scrapes and dings, and it still works fine. Okay, I'm going to toss it up a bit higher and see how that goes. As you can see, it's still working. There's so much noise behind me. Just some stronger scuff marks here on the light. The lens is perfectly intact and the light is able to turn on as normal. So last test, I'm going to throw it up higher this time. I've tilted the camera higher so you can see. There's no special effects going on. Still works great. One issue that did happen was the clip fell off. That is easily put back in place, no problem. More scrapes, more dings, but the light is still functioning great. That's from like a 15-foot drop, something like that. Okay, one more test. I'm gonna run the T2 over with my car. Works. So it's still working. The button was down, so it was being turned on. Working fine. So that's been it. Thanks for watching. We're going to be doing more of these type of videos down the road, so hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos. Hopefully there won't be people weed whacking in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.